I te tāo tōku whaia ko te moana ko whaingaroa, ko maunga Emimi, maunga ko Ngāti se marae, ko Peti Rudolph, te whaia tūpuna, ko Kura te waru Rewiri ahau. My grandmother had a big influence on me. Because I was the eldest mokopuna, I think I got a lot of learning from her subliminally, you know. The painting practice was conceptually came from the treaty. My whakapapa is important. The kaitiakitanga for taonga, whenua, whānau marae comes from the treaty. Minimal, to abstract, to expressive, to visual, like the work behind me. And that was the challenge, that was a big challenge, becoming visibly Māori. I think it was Cliff, yeah, it must have been Cliff, approached me to produce some designs for the floor in the marae ātea. Everything fell into place. The challenge, however, was how everything came together. At that time, it was a really innovative thing to do, and Cliff, he had the ability to navigate a space for it to happen. It's really important that we have the resources put in place for future generations, so that the kōrero has its whakapapa in place.